in again. Up again. One more. Spine. Back again. Last one. And coming to neutral. Now hands little forward. Knees big, wide open. Feet together with breathe out. Push pelvis back without putting elbows on the floor. Coming forward again. Back, back, back. Opening hips. Spine stretching, shoulders, arms. Forward, tense core in. Breathe out back. Breathe in forward. Last one. And forward. Now feet back. With your knees on the back of the knees. Hands tiny bit in again. Will be under your shoulders. Now pelvis only. Right shift. Opening left inner thigh and hip. Center, left shift. Shift, shift. Center, right again. Center, left again. So only pelvis, side to side moving. Keep tummy in. Center, other side. Center. Center and holding now to the right shift. Pelvis to right heel, little back. Come to side, center again. Left shift, go to left heel, forward, center again. Right shift, right heel, forward. Keep tummy in. Left shift, go to left, center. Last set. Right shift, right heel, forward, left again, back again, forward, bring knees hip width apart a little bit, cat again, and sit back on the heels. And slide the back, hands. Let's come on the right forearm, left leg, side, lower tap, side, tap. So not big lifting, then you will tilt your pelvis. We don't want that. Keep pelvis down, knee open. Breathe outside, breathe in. Last side, in, now with your heel, up the ceiling, lower, up again, tap knee, lift knee, tap knee, ankle keep flexed, tap knee, up, tap, one more last, and tap that same leg back long, tense core in, up, lower, slide to the left, hold, back again, hold, up, lower, slide to the left, hold, back again, up, down, slide, back again, up, down, slide, last set, tense core in, lower, slide, pull back in, slide back in, come on the hands again. All same on other side. Now left forearm on the floor. Tense core, but also you're not here, yeah? Keep shoulders up. Right leg, side open, lower tap. Right, you can look at your right hand. Up and, because neck, spine coming same alignment when you do that. Side open, tap, side, tap. One more, tap. Last one, tap. Now right leg, up the ceiling, tap. Squeeze glutes, tense core without arching lower back. Up again, tap again. Lift, tap. Breathe out, up. Breathe in, tap. Last one, and tap. And I don't have space. Now that leg long on the back. Slide to the right, hold. Put your heel on the floor as well when you do that. Slide back, up, down, all the way right, heel down. Because more opening hip. Back again, up, tap, all the way right. One more, back, up, tap, all the way right. Last one, back, up and tap. Slide in, come on the hands, big open your knees. Feet together, hands more forward. Sit back. Find your sitting bones, you will be more taller. Hold under your knees, open your elbows. Double chin, sit upright, look forward. Only lower back. Yeah, make sure your mid back not extremely pushing back. Up again. Back. Up again. Deeply breathe out. Up, holding, hands side of the head. Open elbows again. Punchy, little elbows forward. Upright, open elbows. Back. Tense core, focus on your core. Tummy pulling back in. Upright again. One more back. Upright again. Back and holding. Twist one side, center, other side, center, forward and sit upright. Back again. Forward and up. One more last. Back. Twist. Center. Twist. Center. All the way up. Big hug. Double chin. Upright again. Press down lower back. Rotate pelvis to one side. Come back to center. Rotate other side. Come back to center. One more each side. Center. Other side. And center.